What up, what up, what up? What's up, everybody? It's your girl Donna, and I'm about to cook up a storm. Bless up on yourself. To cook something different, cook up a storm today. I'm gonna cook some curry chicken. Curry fried chicken. Let's change that. I'm gonna cook some curry fried chicken and some mashed potato with some vegetable for dinner. Normally, I cook on a Saturday, so I can relax on a Sunday and eat Saturday, Sunday. But today, I gotta cook something different. Tired of the same thing every week, rice and peas and chicken, or pork, or oxtail, or curry goat, and all of that. So today, I gonna show you what go on in the kitchen, cause I gonna cook some curry fried chicken. I gonna cook some mashed potato and vegetable. As I said, that made the pan today. The kids them not really there here. Guys, I'm actually sorry for the camera looking like this. But here we have some yellow yam and some white potato. We're going to peel these and cook them. Here comes the chicken. We're gonna season up this with some blended seasoning and make it soak for about 2 hours. So here we go. Yam and potato, peel them, wash them, and make the pot boil up. So I'm gonna put them in the pot now with some boiling water and make them cook. We're gonna mash them together with some beans. So that are the ground provision for today. Yellow yam with white potato, boil them, peel them, wash them, boil them. Now we have put the seasoning together for season up the chicken. We have a ton of garlic, scallion, thyme, bell pepper, onion. So we'll wash these and we're gonna cut them up and put them in the blender with a few pimento seed. So the chicken wash and it drain off the water, wash it off with lemon. Now we have some Maggi chicken season, Maggi all-purpose, some pimento seed. Few of them I'm going to put in the blender, the curry, a little salt, some Jamaica jerk season. My auntie sent up that for me from down a yard. So we're going to put the things them in the blender. So now we're going to blend the blender with the ground seasoning. The garlic, the onion, the sweet pepper, the scallion, the thyme, and a little bit of pimento seed. So we're going to blend this with a little bit of vinegar. And then we're going to pour that on the meat. We're going to save back some of this to put in the coconut milk where we are going to boil for the yam. We need some curry on the chicken, maybe about 2 tablespoons. A little salt. A little chicken season. Some Jamaican jerk season, Maggi all-purpose. You know, if you're doing this menu, you could season it however you want to season it, but this is how I season it. I use almost a tablespoon of everything on it, and it's 4 pound of chicken. Well, this is really chicken wings, but so I'm rubbing up the seasoning and I'm going to put it down for about 2.5 hours, cover it up, and let the season kind of marinate in it. Normally I season up my chicken from overnight, but this is something I decided to cook last minute. Kind of feel for something different. And I love to try new things when it comes on to preparing food. I like trying new things just to see how the different taste. that I would get from this. So I leave a little bit of the blend season because I am going to boil some coconut milk. So there's the coconut milk. I need a little pot. Pour the coconut milk in there. 1 coconut milk. I'm gonna put it on the fire. As soon as it starts boiling, I am going to add the rest of the blend seasoning. Now the yam is cooked. So I'm gonna let that boil. And now I'm going to add the rest of the blend season in the coconut milk. And I'm going to let that boil for about 25 minutes on low fire. Once it starts boiling up, I put the fire on low. I tip a little salt in there and put a little bit of Maggi all-purpose in here. And I'm going to make that boiled. Here you go. The chicken is soaking, so we're getting that ready in the meantime. Now we're gonna strain off the yam and potato from the water and let it drain. We're going to put that in our bowl now. Yes. Now we're going to put our coconut milk, seasoning coconut milk on this. No butter. Didn't add any grease to it, just the natural coconut, boiled coconut milk with some seasoning. And then we're gonna add some. Now we're gonna mash it. So it's sweet potato with yellow yam. Not sweet potato, white potato, sorry. I'm gonna add the rest of the coconut milk. I must tell you guys, coconut milk go with anything and it make your meal really, delicious. So I keep adding along. So I'm mushing everything out. Mashed potato is like mashed potato. When you make mashed potato, it kind of soft and a little liquidy. Not too soft, not too liquidy though. So there we go. So add everything. That's it. Now I'm gonna add about 3 cups of flour, a little curry. I'm gonna season the curry, a little all-purpose, which is a half a tablespoon, a 1/4 tablespoon of the jerk season, and I'm gonna put a pinch of salt in here to flavor up the flour that I'm going to use to fry the chicken. So there go the chicken. So this is the oil that I'm going to use. I already used this oil yesterday to do some fried chicken, so I'm using it back because once I use the oil like 2 days before, I could still reuse the oil. But what I do, I put a pepper in there, a Scotch bonnet pepper. I didn't cut it. And then I add some garlic to it. When I'm frying chicken, I love to add the garlic to the oil. It gives the chicken a nice flavor. So what I'm doing here is rubbing up the chicken in the flour, the seasoning flour that I made. And the pot is getting really hot. So now I'm showing you how I'm adding the chicken to the oil. You have to deep fry them. When you deep fry fried chicken, you get such a better result. So once I turn them now, I am going to, the fire is on high. So once I turn it and I get that crisp on the bottom and I turn it over, I'm going to turn the stove on medium and just let it sit there and let the chicken cook. So now it's ready to, almost ready to take out. See that? Crispy, crunchy. I apologize guys for the camera. I don't know what I was doing when I was recording this video. You're not getting the full screen of it. But here it is, the curry chicken wings. Yeah, that's how I do it, guys. Isn't it look delicious? Yeah, you could send your teeth in some of them right now. Tastes really good. You know, something different. I wasn't disappointed at all. You know, sometimes you be trying things, right? And I add the rest of the chicken. Sometimes you try things and it don't turn out because you never had the taste before. So you just try new things and you don't get that flavor that you're looking for. So yeah, sometimes you do try to cook new things and it don't turn out well. So this is the result. This is, and I add some vegetable to this. So this is dinner, something different. I mean, it's chicken, but it's curry chicken, curry fried chicken that I never had before. And I do some bell pepper, some cucumber, carrots, and some lettuce on the side. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below, how did I do? How does it look? If you would try it or not. Okay, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Watch me enjoy.
The time has passed. You understand? Unfortunately. And some people just don't want children. They just don't want children. It's their choice. My sister no want no. She never want none then. And she don't want none no. She just don't want none. She don't want none. It's nothing to say, oh, you're barren. I understand that. Oh God, man, that's cruel. That is so cruel. You can't cause somebody so them barren. How you do that? You know, if it's not meant to be, it's not meant to be. Sometimes some things in here not right. I know we make ourselves, you know. I know we don't have to remember say, I know we make ourselves. I know we make ourselves. Jesus Christ in heaven, I could never ever do that. You know how to know that somebody wants a child and they can't have a child, how it makes them feel? Just imagine how depressed that makes them feel. If deep down inside they want to have children and they can't have, and then it's used against them. That's painful. That's very, very hurtful. You know? I'm never cut the video like just too long. I just feel upset and disheartened when I see certain things. God don't even know, especially when it's coming from another female. You can't just sit down and look into yourself and try to understand. You know? Try to understand. You know, you might not like it.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you like, comment, subscribe, and share if you like this video. Leave me a thumbs up and make me know what go on. Bless upon yourself. One love. Me and Obi actually apart in the kitchen today. So let us see what kind of mix up we are going to go on with. Hold on.